Want to know how to list places in Agoda? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your agoda.com website. So just simply open up your web browser, type in agoda.com, or just simply open up your application itself. So on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile. If you don't see it, you need to sign in. So make sure to sign in. I once created a video on how to do it, so make sure to watch it. So once you have selected your top right corner, you should be seeing these settings pop up on the right side. So just simply scroll down a little bit. Or did you see list your place? That should be all the way in the bottom. So just simply select list your place. And once you have selected it, and now right here you should be seeing your Agoda home. So you can just simply add a listing by selecting add a listing right here. And then just simply add your homes, apartments, and what's more. And that's it. So simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.